Alright, so I got this 1955 Jeep, and I haven't started it in a while. It's just kind of been sitting over here, and I don't know how long it's been. It's been 2-3 weeks since I started it, and it's been getting pretty cold out lately. So we'll see if it wants to start up or not. Pull the truck. Boy, does she not want to start up. There we go. It's a good old little Jeep. Took it a minute, but I wouldn't blame it. Got a recently rebuilt engine. It's the stock engine, and it has been converted to 12 volt, so it's no longer 6 volt. We got this little goofy horn on it. I don't know what my dog's doing, but I love this little thing. 4-wheel drive. It's a 1955 CJ-5 Willys, and you know, it's just an awesome little Jeep. We have a bikini top on it because it's been summer, but now it's winter, so now we gotta swap the tops, which we'll do that soon. It's a really nice little Jeep, if it's warm. Look how many accessories there are. Just an alternator and a fan, water pump, nothing else. So simple to work on, and they got such clean and nice interiors that are waterproof. And so yeah, that's my 1955 Willys. Thanks for watching.